Looking to step into middle or senior management? Want to lead teams, drive strategy, and get recognized for your leadership? Then ILM Level 5 could be the game changer you need. In this video by the Knowledge Academy, we'll break down what ILM Level 5 is, who it's for, what skills it builds, and how it can transform your leadership career. Let's explore how this qualification prepares you for real-world leadership success. What is ILM Level 5? ILM Level 5 is a leadership and management qualification designed for practicing or aspiring middle managers. It's accredited by the Institute of Leadership and Management, a globally recognized body that focuses on developing strong, ethical leaders. This qualification strengthens both strategic thinking and people management, two essential skills for progressing in any organization. Who is it for? ILM Level 5 is ideal for team leaders or supervisors aiming for higher responsibility, new or experienced middle managers, professionals transitioning into senior management roles. If you're responsible for managing teams, budgets, or projects, this course is built for you. What will you learn? The course covers a wide range of practical and strategic topics. Here's what learners typically gain: understanding different leadership styles, managing change within teams, improving performance and motivation, building emotional intelligence, strategic decision-making, coaching and mentoring techniques. These skills help leaders not just manage tasks, but inspire people and deliver results. Why choose ILM Level 5? Here's why this qualification stands out. Globally respected, recognized across industries in the UK and abroad. Career boosting, opens doors to senior roles and promotions. Flexible learning, available online, in person, or blended. Practical, focuses on real-world workplace application, not just theory. Employers value ILM credentials because they develop leaders who are ready for today's business challenges. ILM Level 5 is more than a certificate. It's a step toward becoming a confident, capable leader. To explore our ILM Level 5 courses, visit the Knowledge Academy website. Subscribe for more expert-led training videos and start your leadership journey today.